I'm Georgia Roussos with Georgia Roussos Catering. We're in our kitchen today to show you a little bit about what Celebrate Hope is going to be like this year.
Hello, I'm Jemison Burns with Alabama Crown Distributing. We are the wine providers for this event and have been supporting Celebrate Hope for many, many years, and we're glad to be here.
We've been involved with Celebrate Hope and the Mitchell Cancer Institute now for many years. We started the second year with Celebrate Hope, and we've been there every year with the exception of maybe one. This is the 12th year, so I've been involved along with my catering business for 10 years. And it's been quite an honor. When I was first asked to be a participant in Celebrate Hope, I was boiled over because it is an honor to be part of such a great signature event that our community participates in every year. The funds that are raised at this event are very important, and we love to be a part of helping research for fighting cancer.
We have also been involved for many, many years. We started in the first year and are fortunate enough to continue to support Celebrate Hope, the Mitchell Cancer Center, year after year, and look forward to many more years to come. It's a great, organization. They do great, things for the community, and everybody has probably had somebody touched by cancer. So it's a great, great, great cause.
Celebrate Hope was kind of challenging this year. With COVID, we had to come up with a way to do something that would be COVID safe and yet fun and interesting and good. So my partner and chef Emmanuel and I did some thinking and came up with some items that will be presented to you in a gourmet box. Emmanuel, you want to tell them about one of the entrees?
Here we have a smoked bacon and Gruyere crustless quiche. It's very moist, and it's also okay eaten room temperature.
The other entree, each box you can choose between one or the other, is our smoked salmon.
That's a Norwegian smoked salmon, and it's coming with two sauces. The sauce I have right here is just a whipped creme fraiche, and it's served with a baguette here.
Each box will have our delicious green bean salad. I'm going to let Emmanuel tell you about that too.
It's got toasted pine nuts, cinghiale, small mozzarella balls, fresh basil, cherry tomatoes, and roasted golden beets with a white balsamic citrus vinaigrette.
You will also have in your box a small charcuterie board, and we've presented it today on the Celebrate Hope charcuterie board that some of you will be getting along with your box. So that kind of gives you an idea of what you can do at home with your own charcuterie board. We're very excited about that. I could make a meal off of it. Each box will also have a dessert item. Emmanuel, talk to them about our desserts.
Here we have your traditional pain au chocolat. It's croissant with chocolate inside of it.
And then the other one is Greek. What else, since we're Greek? Chocolate baklava. And probably everybody knows what baklava is. And we're adding a little chocolate to it just to make it more interesting.
So this year being different, in the past we've had, multiple courses for these events, and we've had different wines for each one. This year, with all the restrictions, we had to find some wines that would pair across the board with all the different, flavors and styles of the food, all the different ingredients. So one that we picked was Mascio Prosecco, which you're going to get good fruit, forward, on the nose. You're going to get some, white flowers. It's a brut style, so it's not going to be as sweet and not have as much sugar in it. So it's going to pair well, with the salad, with the dessert. It's got enough, fruit on the back end to basically supplement the flavors that they've put into this food. So the other wine that we selected to go across the board in all the boxes is the Leroux Chardonnay from Bordeaux. So this is another instance of grapefruit forward. So when you're drinking this and you're eating your meal, take a deep, smell it, and then eat your food, and it's going to enhance the flavors of everything that they've put in it. So it's well balanced. It's got a little bit of almond, a little toasty nuts to it, a little vanilla, and it's going to pair well with everything that they prepared.
So, where are you going to pick up these great boxes? Here at our location at 1608 Rochelle Street, which is at Demetropolis and Highway 90. You register online, pick them up Friday, Saturday, or Sunday at designated times, and you'll get this wine bag with your wine, and you'll get your charcuterie board. And we want to thank our sponsors. Our presenting sponsor is the USA Foundation, and all the other sponsors that are so kind to help put on this beautiful event. It means a lot to us.